Hi, it's Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. In this video, I want to show you two setups that look pretty good as we go into tomorrow, Thursday. And I like to look at trade setups that are just very defined risk, low risk, and give you a great return on your capital at risk. So high risk reward or high return on your risk. So these are two trades. I'll show you the setups, and these were some that we worked on today at PowerCycle Trading. So the first one is Disney. So we've had this big sell-off. Here's a daily chart right here. And you can see we had the big sell-off. It came down here to basically this is a 200-day moving average right here at about 127.70. So very key support. Now we're getting a cycle reversal here. Down here's our reversal indicator where you see my arrow, and we have had multiple reversal signals right here. So when we get more than two, that's a very good signal for an indication to a cycle low. Now the next thing is we have our momentum cycle 1 and 2 positive, and we're starting to develop a daily squeeze here. But the other thing that looks really good here is on the 4-hour. I like it when we have a 4-hour time frame that's got a very tight price consolidation here, and this is a volatility squeeze here as well. You can see represented by these dots. So there's potential for this to have a nice pop to the upside, and the first resistance point will be the 382 retracement at 132. So that'll be the first target, and then the next target is going to be up here to about 133.50, 134, which is the 50% retracement. So one really easy setup here today that we can easily defend was doing just a call debit spread for the 1 November series, and then we could hedge it if we needed to. So let me show you that setup. So the first step in this trade is we did the November 1 series, the 131, 134 call debit spread, $3 wide spread. So $1.20 at risk, the debit paid. This has potential at expiration to make 180. So it's a 1.5 to 1 positive risk ratio. So basically you can look at it, you're risking $1 to make $1.50. The other thing though I always look at for a trade setup is to see, okay, if things start to stall, what can I do? Well, the thing we could do here quickly, we could sell the 135, 138 bear call credit spread, bring it in today. You can see it at $40. If we get a little bit more pop tomorrow, we might bring in more than 40, and then we can convert this to kind of a call condor, kind of a nice spread here, and we have a risk reduced down by the credit received. So if I done that this afternoon, then the total risk on this trade would be $80. So that's one trade setup that looks really good. And then the other one that we liked here today at PowerCycle Trading was MasterCard. Now, MasterCard also has a very nice squeeze. This is the daily squeeze. You can see the price consolidation churning sideways. It's back above the 50% retracement level from this swing high to low, and back above the major cluster moving averages. We've got the 4-hour momentum shifted up, and so really nice low risk trade setup on this was to do a call condor for next week in the 25 October series. So the long and short of this trade is we're looking out to next week's expiration, 25 October. Long the 280, 282.5 call debit spread for about $1.09, and then sold the 285, 287.5 against it. So selling the 285 up here, 87 against it, brought in $48 there. Max risk on this trade is $61. If it goes out this next Friday, not this Friday, but a week from now, the max profit's $189 on a risk of 61. So not a bad return there. Hope this helps. I'll talk to you on my next video update.